Welcome everybody, it's Jonesing for Stocks, and today we're going to be covering ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT. Now it's no surprise in 2021 EV car manufacturers have had a massive run, but what about the charging infrastructure that most of them rely on? Since the SPAC merger, ChargePoint has run up to $50, but is back to $20, battling the 40 and 20 support and resistance lines. Priced analysts set a $32 target for ChargePoint, with a high being 46 and a low of 24. Global charging stations have had a compounding growth year over year and are expected to continue this trend, in part due to ESG policies and the American Infrastructure Bill. This can aid the growth in North American infrastructure. For example, Biden plans to spend $7.5 billion to expand the North American charging networks. ChargePoint continues to have a compounding year-over-year growth in revenue. It still is unable to keep up with its operating expenses due to its massive growth. In the Q2 earnings released by the company, the organization's operating expenses will continue to grow, eating away, increasing the net loss over the year. Additional competition was announced by Tesla, who is announcing that their supercharging network would be open to all other vehicles at the later of 2021. However, no information has been released as of yet. Tesla will be getting some steep competition from additional car manufacturers such as Rivian, the Amazon-backed pickup manufacturer. They announced the Rivian Adventure Network with over 3,000 fast chargers planned through 2023. And if you review the Rivian charging page, you can see that ChargePoint is clearly labeled as a charging partner for Rivian. However, details have not been released at this time. ChargePoint's Q3 earnings date is scheduled for December 1st, 2021, with an expected EPS of negative 0.14. So what do you think about ChargePoint's future? Do you think it could break its all-time highs, or do you think it still has some room to fall? Let me know down in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to smash that like button and let me know down in the comments below what stocks you want me to look at next.